Hello children. Today let us learn the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan from the text Honeycomb. In this poem, the poet discusses the movement of a ceiling fan and the sound it creates while moving. Maudie Robin, the poet of Mystery of the Talking Fan, has over 100 published poems to her credit, and she has won 42 state and national awards. She is the author of a book of poems titled Leaves of Laurel. Let me recite the poem for you. Mystery of the Talking Fan. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Let me explain the poem in two parts. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. In the first line, the poet tells us about a talking fan. She calls it a talking fan because it made a lot of noise. The noise is created by the fan's motor due to lack of oiling. This noise is called an electrical chattering by the poet because the fan runs on electricity. The poet confesses that she could not understand what the fan was trying to say, and so she calls the chattering mysterious. Now the second part. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Over here, the poet says that one day somebody oiled the fan's motor. This stopped the sound created by the fan. The fan seemed to be demanding some oiling, and once it was oiled, it fell silent, and the mystery was spoiled. Thereafter, the fan ran as quietly as water. It began to function smoothly without making any noise. Let's identify pairs of rhyming words in the poem. The first pair, chatter and matter. Second pair, oiled, spoiled. Third pair, motor, water. Let us discuss the figures of speech used by the poet. First one, personification. It is a figure of speech in which human characteristics are attached with inanimate or lifeless objects. So in this poem, we find the poet has personified the fan. It has the ability to chatter like humans. The second figure of speech, simile. A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two things by using words such as like or as. In the last line of the poem, he ran as still as water. We find that the poet has compared the fan that has begun to function smoothly to the still and silent water. Here are the meanings of some difficult words. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe and comment for suggestions.